Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to allow friends of friends to see your Facebook page's pronouns. Follow these simple steps to make your pronouns visible to a broader circle of connections. Start by opening the Facebook app and logging in to your account. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, denoted by 3 horizontal lines, to access the main menu options. Scroll down and tap on Pages to view the pages associated with your account. Next, switch to the specific page you wish to edit by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen and selecting the page you want to switch to. Once on your page, tap the profile picture to access the page settings. Then, tap the edit icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and next to Details, tap on the Edit option. Locate the Pronouns section and tap the pencil icon next to it. Now, tap the Audience selector and choose Friends of Friends to allow a wider network of connections to view your pronouns. Finally, tap Save to apply the changes. By following these steps, you can ensure that your pronouns are visible to friends of friends on your Facebook page, fostering a more inclusive and understanding environment for your social circle. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in customizing your page's privacy settings. Enhance your connection's visibility to your pronouns by following these steps today.